Now, how can you turn the auto brightness feature off on your iPad? Let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe because I have so many tutorials ready for you on this channel. So on your iPad, just make sure you go to the settings, and you might be like, the first thought might be to go to the display and brightness where you can adjust the brightness, but there isn't anything about the auto brightness. This is instead a part of the accessibility section where you can see display and a text size right there. And at the bottom entirely, we have the toggle for the auto brightness. It's just one toggle, so if you want to stop that from happening, just turn it off. And it just means that the iPad's screen brightness will stay on based solely on your setting or the way that you want it to be. No matter if you go outside or outdoors to a lighter environment or stay in a darker one, it will not affect it. You have a little disclaimer at the bottom saying that it might take up more battery, but that's like the whole point, yeah? So let me know what you think about that below. It's just a quick guide, so I hope I could help you. Hit a thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you later in the next tutorial.